Prairie Street Prime not only delivers the highest quality kosher meat right to your door, but we also serve our online community with our Culinary Kitchen YouTube channel. Make sure to stop by to learn about our delicious kosher recipes using the latest state-of-the-art equipment and our talented guest chefs.
We're getting a little crazy in the kitchen. We're gonna have fun with our food.
One thing I have never done is worked with a piece of meat like this. This is Prairie Street Prime's exclusive 30-day dry-aged USDA Prime tomahawk. You cannot get better meat than this. This is your luxury kosher experience.
It's about feel, it's about smell, it's about sound. I hear this starting to sizzle. I can smell the fat starting to caramelize.
So now is for my little twist on the chili. I love pureed pumpkin. You're taking chili and you're saying, okay, it's heartwarming and comforting and delicious, and now I'm going to make it healthy. Plenty of that pumpkin-y sauce.
You wanna see my secrets? Let's go. Today we are making Prairie Street Prime's veal asabuco, but we're gonna remix that a little bit today with red wine instead. I choose red wine because it's bolder flavor, I love the color of it, and it's just more potent for me. The moment of truth. It's so good. No, it's literally so good.
So this is Prairie Street Prime's USDA Prime second cut brisket. This is the Rolls Royce of briskets. This is some amazing meat. I'm going to show you how to make amazing spice rubbed brisket tacos. That is ridiculously good. But you know, of course it is, because when you start with the best products, you wind up with the best cooked food.
This is what we do here in the Prairie Street Prime Culinary Kitchen. We take amazing, unusual cuts of meat and we create these super fun, delicious recipes just for you. Subscribe to our channel now and set your notifications so you don't miss our latest recipes and chef-led tutorials. Then head over to prairiestreetprime.com to shop for your next big meal.